name is Monica Roman, and I'll be teaching you about how to create a hypothesis. So the first step is that we need a topic. Does anyone have any suggestions? Yes.
Could we do something with plants?
Yes, we can, but what about plants?
We can look at stuff needed for them to grow.
Okay, so like what? What's needed for a plant to grow? Yes.
They need dirt, water, and sunlight.
Okay, so with those three things, let's use the rules of making a hypothesis. So the rules I like to remember is, if I do this, then this will happen because why? So you're just basically plugging in the places that you need it. So, for example, is there any way that we can put the terms of sun, water, dirt, and plants into a hypothesis?
But I guess if the plant gets, like you said, the sunlight, the dirt, right? You put in the dirt, sunlight, and water, then it has everything it needs, like the nutrients, to grow.
Okay, perfect. So to rephrase, we can say if the plant is part in dirt, it gets sun and water, then it will grow because it has its necessary nutrients. So with that, now we have to see if our hypothesis can be proven or disproven. So basically, if it works and if our hypothesis is correct. So is there any way that we can work this out? What type of experiment do we do?
What would we use for variables?
Oh, so different variables, you would use the things we plugged in. So if we said if we use the sun, the water, and the dirt, that would be independent variable, which are things that can be changed. Then afterwards, you have your dependent variable, which is the thing that stays the same, which is the plant. So using those two variables, you can determine the hypothesis. And with the hypothesis, you can conduct your experiment, which answers your research question, which in the beginning, we said, what is needed for plants to grow? So in all, the different variables will help us make an experiment. So we use the sun, the water, and all its necessary nutrients, put it with a plant, and see if it grows. And that is how our hypothesis makes an experiment.
Cool.
Step is to pick a topic. Next step is to do the research. Third step is to make a question A hypothesis. Fourth step is to find variables. Fifth step is to make a claim. Sixth step is to describe your direction A hypothesis. Seventh step is to make sure it's testable. Eighth step is to check your experiment. If that, then it becomes A hypothesis.